Now I will create the columns for the SharePoint list. So change the title name from title to employee name. So go to the list setting. Yep. So change this name title to name. So I will add few columns like name, designation, email, contact number, and description as well. So name, designation, email, contact number, and description. If you want to make it rich text, so we can make. Otherwise, we can keep as a single line of text. So here you can see all the columns has been created like a name, designation, employee, contact number, and description. And here I will use one more column which is uh, assigned to. So the column type would be the person, assigned to. Save. Okay, so here you can see all the column has been created for this respected list. And now we will create the project inside the planner. So open the planner, and here we will create a new plan. So here we will create a new plan which name is employee onboarding. Employee onboarding, and add to existing group. It is optional if you want to add any group, so you can add. Otherwise, uh, you want to keep it as a public or private, so make a privacy as well. So if you want, so as of now, I'm going to select as a public, create. Here you can see our new plan has been created, which name is employee onboarding. So in this session, like if I will create any item in this SharePoint list, then related to this item, one new task will get automatically created in the planner. Okay, in this list, one more item I will add, which is uh, task. Yep. So let's start. Uh, Go to the Power App section and create a new Canvas application and select a new screen. And here, if you want to customize this screen, so you can add a header, footer, site navigation as well. So as of now, uh, I will add only header. So to adding the header, what we need to do, we will add a rectangle. Sorry, yeah, and apart from this, I will add one label as well. Change the name from text to uh, scope of planner. Change the font, not lot of black, to make it uh, bold. Select the color is white. Yep. Yeah, scope of planner, and I will create a default Power Apps canvas form. So sorry. To adding the form, go to the insert option and then select the edit form. Yeah, yeah. And inside the data source, select the data source. Table connector, SharePoint. Select the site name and then select the uh, list name, which is employee onboarding. After that, we need to yep, here you can see the all the fields are available in the form. So let's change the form display mode from default mode is edit. So make it from edit to new to yep, from edit to new, and here you can see all the columns are available in the form like name, designation, email, contact number, description, assigned to, and task as well. So as of now, there is no need to attachment, so we can hide it from visible option to so yep. So make the radio button off. Now I will add one button, submit button, to submit the record. Yeah. Change the text from button to submit. And now what we need to do, go to the on select property of this button, submit button, and here we need to write the submit function sub submit sorry submit form. Inside that form we need to pass the form name and then notify, uh, record saved successfully. Notification type dot success. So our form has been created successfully. So let's open the Power Automate to create the task in Planner. So go to the Power Automate section, and here you need to create a new uh, flow. So select the automated cloud flow, and here you need to select the trigger. Flow trigger is like a when item is created, and provide the flow name is create a task in Planner, and click on the create button. So here you can see the flow has been created. So inside the site address property, we need to select the uh, SharePoint site where the list is available. So select Power Apps, and the list we need to provide the list name is employee onboarding. And now we need to select the planner connector, and then we need to select the action is create a task. Okay, so here you can see there are multiple columns are available, like a group ID, plan ID, title, bucket ID, start time, date time. So for the group ID and plan ID, uh, here you can see the group ID in the URL section. Here you can see. So let's copy the group ID. Yeah, it's a group ID. And for the plan ID also you can copy from here, paste it here. Yeah, plan ID also you can select, like plan ID is uh, employee onboarding. And for the title you need to select the title from the list template. So here you can see in the title I will select the title as a task. If you want to select the bucket, so you can select the bucket as well. Start date and time you need to select. So the start from when you want to start this task. So you can select the task. Uh, you can select the start time as well as per your priority, and assign user ID, like whom you from like whom you want to assign the task. So go to the uh, list template section. Here you can assign to, sorry, so here we will select the assign to email ID. What color we want to select for a specific task. So from here we can select like a year pink, red, yellow, green. So like if you select the drop down section, so like if you want to make it pink, so you can select the pink, yes. And if you want to make it a red, so you can select the red, or you can select no. As per your requirement you can select. Yep, so here you can see I have provided all the required parameters inside the create task action. So now I will save this flow. After creating the task in Planner, if you want to acknowledge the same to the HR, like uh, the task has been created in the planner, or if you want to acknowledge to the assigned users, so you can also send an email. So to send the email, what you need to do, search the option which is send an email. Sorry, wrong connector. Send an email v2. We will use send an email v2 connector, and here in the to section we will provide the assign to username. So here assign to email ID. Yep, so here you can select the assign to email, and inside the subject you can provide new task has been created for you. Here, hi, assign to display name, uh, new task has been assigned to you. Please check planner. Thank you. Let's save the flow. And to create a task in a planner. And now I will check our code is working or not. So here you can see in the planner section there is no task are available for the employee onboarding plan. And so let's start. So for creating creating the task, we need to click on the edit button of the flow, and then click on the test uh, manually, not manually. Yep, you can select the manually, and then go to the Power Apps page. One second, let me make it from edit to new. Okay, and now fill the form, like name is for example Andrew, and designation is project manager. Email is andrew@abc.com. Contact number is blah blah, and description: create a new account for this user. Set the assign to, I will assign this task to Vibhu, and task name is same as a description. Click on the submit button. So in the notification section here you can see record saved successfully. So let's see our flow will get triggered or not. Oh, so here you can see in the status your flow is running. And let's see in the SharePoint list our record will get created or not. So here there is no records available. Let's refresh the list. Oh, here you can see the record has been created inside the SharePoint list. Name is Andrew, designation is project manager, email address this, contact number is this. So the record has been created. So let's see our flow run successfully or not. Oh, so here you can see the flow status. It's also run successfully. So let's see in the planner like our task has created or not. So here you can see, let's refresh the planner, and now you can see the new task has created, which name is create a new account for this user, which color is pink. So this code is working properly. So that these things I want to show you in this session. So if you want to learn more about the Power Apps, then please watch my previous videos. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are keen to learn more about Power Apps, then do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a new video on Power Apps. So thanks again. See you in the next session. Bye bye.